Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Google Drive for collaboration. Now Google Drive is basically like a Google Workspace that helps you store your files, share files and collaborate with other people. How do you get started with Google Drive? So the first thing is you need an email account. Once you create a Google email account, you automatically have access to Google Drive. Now to go to Google Drive, you can either come here and you see the Google apps that are available, and you can see Drive is right here. So you click on it and you'll be able to have access to something like this. Now for me, I already have some folders. So when I go to my Drive, I can see a number of folders and files that I have in here. So if you don't have one yet, you can actually create. So that will take us to the first thing. How do we create folders in Google Drive? To create a folder in Google Drive is you're gonna click on new, and if you already have the folder locally, you just click on folder upload and then you choose your folder. For example, let's try Bootstrap, and then we click on upload and then confirm upload. Now after confirming, you will see that your file is gonna be uploaded right here. Once it's done, you can access it through your Drive. Now secondly, if you're creating a new folder online, you can just click on new folder and then create your folder name. Let's name it Google Drive tutorial and then click on create. So when I click on this, I will see my folder is right here, but then it is empty. To create files, you can just simply right click and then you click on file upload. You'll use the same method. You upload an already existing file, or we can just create a file here. There are different types of files here. We have Google Documents, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms. There is more here. Google Drawings, Maps, Sites, etc. Create a new one, Google Docs, and just call it Introduction to Google Drive. We make it a title. So we can write some dummy content here. Let's just go and generate lorem. Since we don't have any content right now, we click on generate and let's just copy this. So we copy that and then paste it there. So this is our dummy document. Now we just click on up there and then it will automatically put the title as the name of the document. Now, basically that's how to create a folder and create a file in Google Drive. Now, back to our tutorial. Note that Google gives you 15 GB of storage for free if you're just starting out with Google Space. Mine is full, that's why I use the paid version. So even the paid version is soon getting full, so I'll still need to upgrade. So don't worry about this notification. So this is our first document to Google Drive. Now to the key point, how do you collaborate on this document? For example, I want to add someone to this document. So what I'll do is I'll click on share, and here are people with access. So I can add people by their email addresses, or I'll click on anyone with the link can be an editor, and then I'll copy the link. And once I'm done copying the link, I'll share it with that specific person. So it is that simple. You either add by email address or, so let's use an example. So I'm going to add people by email address and I leave a message there. Hello, please access this document and make changes to the content since there is no content. Then I will send. So now let's see the changes that are going to be made. So what happens is the other person will find a notification via their email, or when they open their Drive and go to, so let me just give you an example. So if they open their Google Drive and they go to shared with me, they should be able to see that document shared with them. So let's just keep an eye here and let me log in the other side as the other email address and show you exactly what happens. So once that person gets access to that document, you can see here it is showing you that the code check is somewhere here, and up here it will show you an icon of someone trying to work on the document with their email address. So let's make some changes. This is how collaboration looks like. When the other person is moving, you're able to be seen. So while the other person is working, you're able to see how they are collaborating, which line they are on. You see that? You can see, you can follow along. You see that? So they can delete this entire paragraph since there is nothing in it. And you can see everything is gone, and then you can replace it with actual content. So now you see this is the changes the other team member has made from the document. This is how Google Drive helps you to collaborate on a document. It could be a Word document, it could be a spreadsheet, it could be a PowerPoint document in real time. So now that you've seen how team members can make changes, for example, now if I want to give feedback to what someone has written, I'll just highlight it and click on add a comment, and I'll send that comment to the person who did that. Please, can you make it more detailed? And I'll send the comment. Now the comment will be here, and the other person or any other person who is going to be collaborating shall see that comment. So then you can reply to this comment. Now you can see, sure, I can do that. So basically this is how you collaborate, and you'll find notifications right here to see comments and to see changes that has been made. Google Drive has made collaboration easy in different ways. When you just go to shared with me, you're able to see a lot of things that has been shared, a lot of documents working on as a team, a lot of folders that you can work on. And besides that, it will store your things safely. That means you can access it anywhere, anytime you want, since you have it in the cloud. So whether you're on your phone, anywhere, someone you need your document, and if it is stored on Google Drive, you already have it in the cloud, so you can access it anywhere, anytime. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.